back to the channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Welcome all my amazing subscribers, both the new ones and the returning one. Welcome everyone. Welcome to our large family monthly weekly grocery shopping haul. Okay, Iceland. Okay guys, so I spent £183.20 in this haul I'm going to show you. Okay, as I've said, monthly, weekly. Okay, yeah, some things will be here for a month, some will be a day or two. So that's why I say monthly, weekly. Okay guys, so please, if you enjoy watching shopping hauls and you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you enjoy watching it, consider subscribing. If you don't enjoy watching it, it's okay, you can just pass and look for another of my video to watch that you will enjoy. Don't disappear from the channel. Look for something else that you will enjoy watching. Okay, and give it a thumbs up. All right guys, so let me show you guys what I bought today. Okay guys, so my amazing people, these are the stuff on the table. Okay, it's not huge, wait, it's not small, it's not huge either, it's just moderate. And as I say, it's weekly stroke monthly. Okay, Iceland, everything here is from the food warehouse Iceland. Okay guys, so I'm showing you guys first before I tell you guys everything. So it's going to be including the prices. Okay, so as you can see, the food warehouse by Iceland. Okay, so I spent £183.20. That's what you are seeing here. Okay, all right, in no particular order, I'm just going to start from the receipt. Okay, so what is on top of the receipt is this cookies, like cookie. My children like this cookie, that's why I always end up buying it for them. So the cookie is £5. I bought one, and we got some mixed eggs, which are £2.20. There's the eggs. I got two. Okay, so £2.20 for one. That's £4.40 for the two. Next on our list is the sugar. So I got sugar. This two sugar is £2. Okay, let me see if I haven't jumped. Okay, I think I have jumped something, but I will show you guys soon. Okay, so but let me just talk of the sugar. The sugar is £2. Okay, it's 2 for £2. Okay, and then the what I jump is popsicles. What is that? I don't know what that is yet. Oh, I know what it is. Pop-tastic. Okay, because it's faded, so it's a bit difficult to see. Can you see that it's faded? Okay, Pop-tastic, which is this chips here that looks like Pringles. This green that looks like Pringles is £1. It's sour cream and onion flavor. It's £1. Okay, and then I got some tortilla wraps. So these tortilla wraps and this sweet chili is 3 for £3. So this is the tortilla wrap here. I got 2 tortilla wraps, and then I got 1 sweet chili. So they are £3. That's like £1 each. Okay, so and I got some slushy poppy, some slushy. You guys know I like slushy, and the children sometimes as well. So I got 6 slushy. 1, 2, it's 7 I think actually, or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, is it 5? Okay, I think it's 5 I got rather. I thought it was 6 or 7. Okay guys, so the slushy, they are £1.50. So I got £7.50. Am I right? So that's this 3 will be £6, right? Or I mean 2 is £3. Okay, 4 is £6. Okay, that's correct. So that's £7.50. So that's 5. Okay, and then we got some brioche rolls, which are over here. The brioche roll is also 3 for £3. So I got 3, so you guys can see. Okay, I got 3. And then we have some 7-Up Zero. Okay, so the drink is here. The drink is 3 for 24 pounds. These 3 drinks you are seeing: 7-Up, Fanta, Dr. Pepper. Is it Dr. Pepper or Dr. Pepper? Anyway, it's 3 for 24 pounds, guys. So yeah, 3 for 24 pounds. Okay, and then we have the sauce, which I've shown you guys already, the sweet chili sauce, which comes as 3 for 3 pounds, so it's 1 pound. Okay, and then we have straight cut chips. Our chips, they are still doing 3 for 10 pounds. I didn't see the other one, so I got this one. Okay, it's 3 for 10 pounds still. And then we got vegetable. This vegetable, I don't understand. The last time I bought it, it was £1.50p. I don't know whether it's because I bought a lot and I didn't really bother looking. Now it's £2. It's not £2. But I know that the last time I bought it, it was initially it used to be £1. Then it went to £1.50. Then I think it went to £1.80. It's not £2 anyway. And then the same thing with the spinach. It's not £2. These things used to be like £1, £1.50. Anyway, they are now £2 for each of them. And then we have some cooked ham, which is here. I got it's 3, so it's better you just get 3 for £5. If not, it's like you are cheating yourself. I don't even know if it's even a bargain. But it's 3 for £5 cooked ham. And then we have some mild cheddar cheese. They are £3.60 each. £7.20 for the 2. I got 2. And then we have some minced beef and onions, which is somewhere around here. It's 3 for £10. I like getting this one because I don't have to slice onions. You already have onions inside already, so it's 3 for £10. Yeah, 3 for £10. And then we also have seaside quarter pounder. I only got one of this one today. That is the quarter pounder. It's £5. Okay, there's 10 in there, so you can see 10 is in there. And then we have the pork. Is it poker, or what they call it, poker or poker pie? Okay, it's £2.50. I bought just one. It's still the same thing if you buy 2 for £5, 1 for £2.50. It's the same thing. So I just pick one. Okay, £2.50 for one. This is the beef and vegetable one. So I picked just one. And then we got some chicken strips. The chicken strip is 3 for £10. I picked the barbecue one. And then I picked the normal hot and spicy. It's not really that hot anyway. So I got 2 of the hot and spicy. The other one there. And 1 of the barbecue. So it's £10 for the 3. Okay. And then we got some pork sausage, which is over here. So I got 2 pork sausage. They are £3.50. So I got 2 for £7. Okay, they are over there. Irish recipe. Okay. Yeah, guys. So I got 2 of those. Okay. I'm just trying to see what else is in the receipt. Barbecue chicken strip. I've already showed you guys. Barbecue chicken strips, plus the other one is 3 for £10. So we got chicken dipper because I couldn't find chicken nuggets. So I got chicken dipper, £6. I got 2 for £12. Chicken dipper, so there's 2 of them for £12. Okay, guys. And then we have the hot and spicy wings, which is over here. It's 3 for £10. You guys will be familiar with this already. I always buy it. It's 3 for £10 as well. And then we have chicken burger. Where is it now? Oh, it's over here. I forgot to buy this last time, and we've completely run out of it. It's also 3 for £10. It's quite nice. It's actually 100% chicken, you know. And then you can have it with the burger buns. If you are looking for a quick meal for children or for yourself. Okay, so it's 3 for £10. Okay, guys. And then we have the burger buns, which is on this side. Okay, see, you just make burger buns. You make burger for yourself. The burger buns is £2. I bought 2, which is £4. Bought 2 of them. That is £4. Okay, and then we got some steak bake, which are over here. So the steak bake is 4 for £10. So I got 4. There's 2 more at the bottom. Okay, that's 3 plus that one. So 4 is £10 for 4. And then we have milk. The milk is over there. You guys can see it over here already. So I got 2 milk. Okay, I got 2 milk. The milk are £2.20, so 2 is £4.40. And then we got this drink, which I always get. It's not £1, so I just should buy 2. I buy 1 sometimes. Okay, so they are £1 each. And then I got some clover butter, £4, which is this butter over here. Okay, it's £4. That's 1.1 kilo. That's 1 kilo. And then we have some lettuce, 85p. I got two lettuce for 85p. And then we got some kitchen towel, 8-pack, which is this one over here. It's 8 in the pack. And then we have some toilet paper, which is a velvet toilet paper. There's 24 in there. Okay, yeah, so everything came in total. You guys can see all the discounts. They have to remove all the discounts. I don't think you guys can see. Okay, there. So they have to remove all the discount to get to £183.20p. Okay, so that's what I pay for this haul, £183.20p. Okay, yeah, so this is everything in the haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you enjoy watching shopping haul vlogs, cook with me, shopping, you know, lifestyle content generally, and you have not subscribed, please, it's free to subscribe. Consider subscribing. Let's get to 6,000k this year. That's all I'm asking for, 6,000k. I'm not asking for 10,000k. If I get 10,000k, I'll be pleased, but I'm just asking for 6,000k. Okay, so please genuinely subscribe and continue to watch. Okay, and don't forget, don't skip my ad. The ad is the only way that YouTube pay us some coins, like 2p, 3p, 5p and 10p and 20p, please. So don't skip it, guys. It's not huge money. If you skip it, I won't get paid at all for this video. So please consider watching the ads. Okay, don't skip it. It won't take long. It's just 2 seconds ad, 3 seconds ad, sometimes 10 seconds ad. Okay, so don't skip it. Just enjoy watching the whole of it. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just showing you guys again all the stuff I bought for the week stroke month. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here. Please consider subscribing and share the video if you enjoy watching, and if you feel like sharing it. This is for a family of 6. Okay, for a family of 6. So if you enjoy watching, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That will also help the video to get recommended as well. Alright, guys, thanks so much. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.